Good morning. We got 10 hours of running excavator today. Then we're off to wash trucks. We're taking advice from old customers and applying them to new ones. We're rebuilding the company bigger and better than ever. So stay tuned and buckle up because it's going to be a long day. Our first work day is done, 10 hours in the books. As you see, the sun's starting to go down. We're off to go wash trucks. We got a bunch of lights and generators ready for the task at hand. So, and welcome back to another video. We are starting to rinse this 53-foot flatbed in preparation for the owner to apply a rust protectant to preserve the trailer. We are applying a high acid base degreaser, which is going to strip all the minerals and road grime off of the trailer. I'm starting to rinse the trailer here with all of the degreaser coming off, as you see, in preparation for the rust protectant, as I said before. As you see, my gun has sprung a leak and spraying everywhere. I got a little wet during the cleaning of this.
Let me shut this off.
Get the other one set up. Start washing nothing.
You want to run both of them?
Yeah. He wants that one done too if we have time.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah. We are running the side of the trailer with our acid base degreaser, which is also aluminum cleaner. I'm gonna run back to the back of the trailer and start rinsing so everything doesn't dry. We were instructed that we didn't have to clean the actual flat deck of the trailer since it'll be loaded the next day. As you see, I'm running up, rinsing everything off, making sure that everything is clean. As soon as we get everything done on the outside of the trailer, we're going to start setting up for the preparation for cleaning the frame rails underneath. As you see here, I'm starting to put lights underneath, which will help me to clean everything a little bit more efficiently. These lights are working killer. We are done with the front of the trailer and starting to move to the back. As you see, I'm pumping out the cleaner so we can clean the frame rails. I love this stuff. Uh-oh. Kind of sprayed the camera there. Don't want to do that. Here in a second, we'll be moving you back and telling you a little bit more about what's going on. Move you so you don't get all wet. We're knocking all the grime off. Well, this is what it did look like. That's what it looks like after. We're knocking all the grime off and the road grime and de-icers and everything, so the owner can put a rust treatment on. That's what he said. So we're getting everything cleaned out and prepared so he can take care of all that tomorrow. Let's go check on Hunter. It is officially dark. Do you have a light? Huh? Okay.
I got another generator too.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. There's two lights right inside the door, plug-in ones, and one more of these.
I'm gonna need it real soon.
Let's get him set up here. We're definitely not going to be getting to the orange one tonight. Possibly. Let's get him all set up. I gotta go finish the trailer still. The axles are gonna be a nightmare. Let's see what we can do here. Hey, is there anything else I can do? You good? Let's see if we can get this video all wrapped up before my memory card fills up again. Yep, we're still good. So we are just about ready to give this one a green flag. Whoa! We have to change cameras here, so the filter on this one might be a little different. Yeah, I think we're just about done here. This is being a pain in my butt when we just need to get it done. So this is Ryan with Ryan's Detailing. If you made it this far in the video, please hit the subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.